Works, you're seeing your work actualized, so that's really super cool. You get to choose what you do.
I had a great experience with New Works last year, so I knew I wanted to try to do it again, and I was lucky enough for them to let me.
I did it last year as a stage manager, and since then I've done a lot of directing. I'm in the directing track, and so I definitely wanted to try being a director this time. And also, I think directing a work that's like in process is a really good experience, and it's like, I don't know, there's a lot to learn from it.
It's like an intensive that makes you learn about writing, acting, and directing all at the same time. So I'm really grateful for that. And I love, I don't know, it feels cool having people say things I wrote down. It's different from the rest of your life, you know?
New Works is always a challenge because any type of new work is a challenge. So we get new scripts all the time and they're getting constantly updated.
It's a continual process. The play probably, I won't say it'll never be finished, but it probably still won't be finished by the time New Works is finished. I may still try to develop it more if I have the energy in me. Or I might move on to something else.
I like New Works a lot because you get to see your work actualized, and there's something so exciting about making a choice and then seeing it there. And I also love working with student directors and playwrights. Everyone's just so excited to be there and see their work, and everybody's kind of on the same team for the most part. Everyone's just really excited about the work, and then you get to also have student actors, and just the whole kind of community element of New Works is really appealing to me.
My cast is really great, and they're so willing to work. And I think what's really cool is that it's not like, we obviously have like playwright, director, stage manager, actors, but like kind of the way that we're viewing it now is like, it's more like 7 artists in a room, like trying their hardest to make this piece the best that it